afternoon, everyone, or good morning, depending on where you're joining us from, and welcome to today's webinar, Unlock More with Expedia TAAP. My name is Cara Kurtz, so be sure that you sign up on expedia.com/TAAP with 2A. Now we welcome today's presenters, Jordan Moscarella and Leah Funk. Now, without further ado, Expedia, please take it away.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Cara, and welcome everyone to today's webinar. As Cara said, my name is Jordan Moscarella, along here with my colleague Leah Funk. So we both handle the marketing for North America and are extremely excited to be here today talking to you about one of the world's leading travel suppliers for travel agents, Expedia TAAP. So today we're going to go through what Expedia TAAP is, as well as a huge exciting promotion running now that you can take advantage of. We'll go over the earning structure, booking features, and support information. So let's get started. Leah, first, what is Expedia TAAP?
Thanks, Jordan. So for those who don't know, TAAP stands for Travel Agent Affiliate Program. And this program, which is completely free to join, provides you as agents with the ability to book products featured on the Expedia consumer site. And when you book on Expedia TAAP, you earn compensation on all your bookings. The TAAP program gives you the opportunity to utilize the Expedia consumer site and prices for your travelers, which can help you grow your business.
Perfect. So at Expedia TAAP, we really believe in partnerships. So to provide you with world-class service and great rates, we manage the relationships with suppliers while you own the relationships with your travelers. So throughout the booking process, we never ask for your travelers' contact information and will not market directly to them as a result of booking on TAAP. So feel comfortable and assured that you and your travelers are in good hands. We make sure to be the best in class in these three important areas. So as Leah mentioned, the inventory on TAAP is the same as your travelers see on the consumer site. So you gain access to the widest range of properties, flights, car rentals, and in-demand activities all in one place. Because we have different contracts with properties, our local teams are securing the most competitive rates and real-time availability. So we've also developed TAAP to be a world-class booking experience from start to finish. We've thought about each stage of the booking process for travel agents. Most of the time, you know what property you're looking for, and for all the other times, we use machine learning algorithms and powerful filters to get you the best options. On the back end of things, we have comprehensive reporting to make earning reconciliation a breeze, as well as helpful itinerary builder designed to give your travelers clear details in a clean format.
So, as we have mentioned, TAAP does have the same travel supply and availability that you would find on the Expedia consumer site, giving you access to an exceptionally wide range of travel products. These include more than 700,000 accommodations in over 200 countries, along with flights from over 500 airlines, including low-cost carriers, more than 175 car rental companies, and over 70,000 in-demand activities, adventures, and attractions around the world. You can also bundle these travel products together. So, for example, you can add a flight or car rental to an accommodation booking. And because of its popularity, we've recently added a tab specifically for airport to accommodation ground transfers. So here is an example of how those 700,000 accommodations are broken down into types, which are available to book, and you earn the compensation on Expedia TAAP. With over 35 different property types, you'll find something to offer any traveler, whether they are looking for alternative accommodation or your standard hotel. This can help you go above and beyond to provide a unique experience for your traveler.
Perfect. That's a lot to choose from there. So to help you grow your business, Expedia TAAP offers a tiered system where your agency can progress through tiers to earn more and unlock additional features. So all agencies start out at the standard tier and move up levels based on booking volume. So we'll talk soon about a very exciting promotion going on right now that will jumpstart you to the silver level if you're signing up for the first time or haven't booked in over 12 months. So there are many benefits in each tier, including increased earnings, special discounts, as well as the ability to be paid the month following the time of booking. There are certain products that are classified as eligible products that are counted towards your status level. So let's take a look at what these are. So as I said, eligible products count towards getting you to a higher tier level. Products to focus on booking are prepaid accommodations, car rental, activities and attractions, as well as all those in bundle deals. These are the products you want to push when booking your travelers to get to the next tier for more benefits. So we're going to talk about package rate hotels shortly. This program is offered to silver and above affiliates only. So as you progress through the tiers, you gain access to the package rate program, which unlock impressive discounts on accommodation bookings, early payment, which can improve your cash flow opportunity, as well as extra support for your business, which can include monthly meetings and customized reporting, and of course, increased earnings.
How you sign in to Expedia TAAP. To log in or register for the first time, visit expedia.com/TAAP. Existing agents, you will log in with your Expedia email and password. If you need to register as a new agency, only then will you click the link in the red box here, and it will take you to the registration page where you can enter the promo code. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Your Username or Password link circled here in green, which will give you an opportunity to reset it. So once you're logged into TAAP or have been approved as an agency, this will be your home page. You will have the search capabilities as well as seeing your earnings and bookings. In the top right corner, you'll see our support phone number as well as your WS tracking code. So Jordan, I know this next part is one of the most important aspects of being part of Expedia TAAP.
Fantastic, thank you, Leah. So you may be wondering what our earning structure is. So Expedia TAAP pays on 4 categories of products. Those would be accommodations, car rental, activities and attractions, and bundle deals. Also, the earnings are paid on the gross total as well, so all taxes and fees associated with the booking are included in the calculation. This is a unique benefit of booking through TAAP since most suppliers pay on net. So now we're going to take a look at the platform and walk you through the process of making a booking and knowing what you're earning. So we have worked hard to offer you fast and user-friendly technology and features to make the process as easy as possible. So after logging into the platform at expedia.com/TAAP, your homepage will look like this here on the screen. So in this example, we're going to look at making a hotel booking. So in this case, we're going to select hotels from the product type up top right here. And then next, enter the destination, travel dates, and the number of guests, and then click on search. So after clicking search, you end up on the search results page. So you can see here that 3,065 properties met our search criteria. So we display the best options at the top based over 15 factors such as location, price, best sellers, and Expedia verified reviews. So you have a lot of options on this page. So I first want to show you how to look for the earnings amount. So this is one of the features specific to TAAP. There are 4 levels of earning potential that we already went over. So all you need to do is look for the number of bars in these circles to know what level it's at. So you can also use filters to search for accommodations that you'll earn the most on. So really the most bars in the circle is the more earnings you'll get. So when you're ready to book the accommodations, remember that you can filter by properties which offer free cancellation. So this adds a sense of security for your travelers, as well as many other features to narrow down your search as you like are shown here. So you can choose prepay, which is pay with Expedia, or pay at hotel, where your traveler will pay for the reservation at checkout. Just remember that prepaid hotels are eligible bookings that count towards your status level. So be sure to use this option when at all possible. If you're looking to offer some flexible options, we have around 490,000 properties that offer fully refundable rates. So just be sure to look at the specific cancellation policies and deadlines before booking the property. So here are some more features available to easily find more details before booking. There's some up top there, as well as you can utilize the Google Map features and much more as you go through. Also, to keep up with the times, a new feature has been added in order to determine cleanliness levels and guidelines. So these can be seen by selecting to view Show All Policies as shown on the screen.
All right, so our last type of prepaid accommodation booking we have is with bundle deals. You can bundle travel products together to create the perfect package for your traveler and unlock impressive savings. When you combine a hotel with a travel component, you save on average 20%. So if you add an accommodation of at least one night and a flight, you earn on that gross booking value, which includes the airfare. So let's go into a little more detail about that. As I did mention, this is the only time you can earn compensation on airfare with Expedia TAAP. For example, if the airfare portion of your traveler's journey is going to be more expensive, add on at least one night hotel, and then you can earn the compensation on that gross booking amount of both items. With bundle deals, the earnings are based on the number of room nights. So for silver tier, you earn 3% on bookings of 1 to 2 nights and 5% on bookings of 3 or more nights. So when you go to book bundle deals, click the bundle deal icon and then select your travel products. With the average of 20% savings, this is just another feature to offer the best value for your travelers while you earn compensation.
Perfect. Thank you, Leah. That's really great. I know a lot of agents that I talk to love that program and book those rates a lot. So really exciting feature to take advantage of. So definitely check that out when you are looking to book a accommodation. So next we're going to go to car rental. So remember, these pay 6.5% gross for the silver level affiliates. A lot of agents that I talk to, they always kind of let their travelers book their car rental on their own, but you know, with this earning 6.5%, you can definitely take it over for them and get paid on it. So as like the other bookings, from the homepage here, just select cars, and we have over 3,000 locations to choose from, more than 174 suppliers, as well as 15 different car categories on the platform. The booking process is very straightforward, just like we showed in the hotel search page. So you just select all your criterias and then select which car rental you want to go with. Booking flights. So flights are offered on the platform as well. Just remember that we do not pay out earnings for standalone flight bookings. So as Leah mentioned, the only way you can earn on flights is to book them in a bundle deal. Okay, so there are over 500 airlines to choose from, 6,500 plus airports, and more than 4.7 billion seats to book.
Thanks, Jordan. That's fantastic information. So this next part is probably my favorite offering, and I think the most underutilized on Expedia TAAP, activities and ground transfers. So this is a great way to book your travel, to boost your traveler satisfaction and increase your earnings. Chances are your traveler will want to do something in their destination. So why not go ahead and book it for them? With activities and ground transfers, you're adding benefits to how you can provide for your traveler with Expedia TAAP. As mentioned, we have over 70,000 activities around the world, and you earn at least 10.5% for each booking too. What's great about activities and attractions is that you can book thousands of local activities as well for your traveler. So this can be in their hometowns or even destinations just a few hours away. I can speak from experience about the variety. I have booked activities all over the world from Expedia TAAP and have found some better deals than booking direct as well. So here are some examples of the type of activities we have. everything you can think of is on Expedia TAAP. So why not book and earn? From ticketed events, ground transfers, attractions, tours, and recreational activities, there's something for everyone. So how do you find these on Expedia TAAP? The ground transfer button will give you the private and shared transportation options. All other activities, such as the tours and excursions, will be under the Things to Do tab. And remember, you earn at least 10.5% on all activities. You earn even more per booking as you progress to higher tiers. So I know we just threw a lot of information at you. So let's cover some support and educational options we offer. This Expedia TAAP support guideline will help you know who to contact for what. There are many confirmations, cancellations, and modifications that you can do yourself. However, if you need assistance, please reach out to our 24/7 customer support team by dialing this number and selecting option 2. For general account and compensation related questions, you can reach out to our sales support by selecting option 1. All calls to customer service must be made by the travel agent and not the traveler. We also have a travel agent education website where you can access an extensive FAQ section, but more on that on the next slide. So ExpediaTAAP.com is our agent-only education site where you can watch webinars, sign up for upcoming webinars, learn about the TAAP program in general. We always feature current promotions and updated information as well. You can even explore some destinations we've done webinars with. ExpediaTAAP.com will also give you the latest flex policies regarding COVID-19. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Facebook and LinkedIn to get not only the latest policies regarding COVID-19, but also the latest in travel trends as well. So a few next steps. If you're not yet registered, register. Start booking and look out for emails from us on how you can get the most out of Expedia TAAP.
So thank you everybody for joining. As Leah mentioned, check out our travel agent portal at ExpediaTAAP.com for additional training resources. And when you decide to register, watch out for our Welcome to TAAP webinar invites, as well as other emails to learn more about the platform in detail.